Welcome to the introductory video tutorial for IAMUX, a Joomla ecstasy template for Joomla 3. So let's jump right in. So here's the home page, and we have a nice background HTML5 video with some image layers on top. And as we scroll down, you'll see that we have some nice effects going on here with the scroll to reveal and some parallax. And then as we get down here in the template, you see that we have even more effects here. We've actually got some background animations going on. And we have a nice little GIF there that's animated with the iPhones. As you scroll down more, you see more of these animations. And we've got some really nice graphics put in here for you. As we get to the bottom, well, you see that we've got our search field. And we have our social networking at the bottom. So let's go over the module positions here before we jump into all the other styles. So up here is your logo. It's not a module position, but you can go ahead and have a text logo, or you can have a image logo, or both if you'd like. And that's set in the template manager. Then here in our menu bar left, we have our main menu. The main menu has lots of nice features. As you see, you can have optional drop downs as far as the elements here with the little arrows. You can select what icon you want to have after it if it has a drop down. And then we have nice drop down styles, some hover effects here. And the drop down is powered by CSS3, and so you can have it fly in from the bottom, from the top, left, right. There's many options for it. So then here in our inset area, we have our hero text, and this is just a custom HTML module. And then when we get down here to the second region, we've got another custom HTML module here. And this is in the user 1. So it's very easy to edit. Everything on the home page is custom HTML. So you'll be able to edit that from the front end or the back end. We've outlined really well in the documentation how it's implemented. So if you're not familiar with HTML or bootstrap, we've given you a little bit of explanation and some examples so you can easily edit and go ahead and change the text and put whatever animation styles or whatever kind of a grid you want to have in there. So as we move down, here we've got the iPhones, and we have the same thing. It's simply just a custom HTML module, and this is in user 13. And then when we scroll down here to the print services, another HTML module. This is in user 19. And then we've got another HTML module in user 25, another HTML module in user 31, and the Get in Touch area here is in user 37. Then at the bottom we've got user 49, 50, 51, and 52, which are just a main menu or just menu links. And then down here at the bottom we've got user 49 through 52, which are just Joomla menus. And then we have our legals and our footer. Our footer has the social icons, and then we've got a search here in the bottom in the legals. So let's go ahead and check out a few of the other styles here. And our styles are all set in the template administrator. So you can have a different background video for each style. You can have different colors. You can change all the backgrounds here. As you notice when we scroll down, we have different backgrounds here. The nice flowing up of the iPhones, and we have a cool little animated background here. More parallax stuff going on in the background. And then if we check out style 3, we have no background video. We have some clouds here. And we have some really nice colors going on here, as well as, the background motion and more parallax. And then our final style, style 4, we have a kind of spacey theme here, very much so relying on that background video. And then when it comes to the Joomla stuff, as far as the blog goes, we have a blog here. Here's our one-column blog. And this is standard one-column blog in Joomla. And over here we've got a login module styled nicely. And we have our Deluxe News Pro here showing more in this category. The Deluxe News Pro is one of our premier modules. It can do everything from slideshows to lists and more. A nice feature is that when you set the News Pro to a certain category, it's going to show you everything that's in that category. So you don't have to put a different module on every category page to show what's in that category. You can just use this one module and it'll show whatever category you're in, more in this category. So now let's check out the two-column view. We have some nice hover effects here and a little color tinge. You can see this a little more if we go back to Style 1. So we went ahead and put a background color here on the images, and we change the opacity of the images for when you hover. And this is all set in the template manager. Nice hover colors here. Let's check out the article page. Article page has the same thing. And then we have the standard Joomla category list, your breadcrumb. And let's check out some of our custom overrides. So we have a cascading grid. This will do a cascading grid of articles. We have our FAQ page. This does an FAQ style. And this is all just Joomla content. You just select when you create a new category, you select the category override right in the menu manager. Then we have our featured. We have a featured right. Then we have a featured center, featured left. Then we also have pricing tables. A photo gallery using our image gallery plugin. And this also pops up to where you have a pop-up for each. Then we have a staff blog, so you can show your staff. Same with the hover effect here. And finally, we have a timeline blog. As far as the Joomla stuff, it's pretty standard. We've got your login, your contact page, tags, search. As you see, we've styled up everything really nicely here. And then you've got your standard 404 error page. So that concludes the introductory tutorial. Our next video, we're going to be going over the administration, so you get to see what's going on in the back end and all the parameters and our new XTC framework version 4. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.